Live from the 24-hour tracking center, this is a winter weather alert.
All right, we wait for it every year, the first kind of winter storm of the season, and we're going to be seeing it roll through tonight. So it's still pretty quiet across West Michigan. We have a few rain showers. They're just beginning to transition over to very light snow, especially north of Grand Rapids. So if you have to get on the roads in the next couple of hours, you might still be okay. One of the things that we've been watching with this system over the last 2 days here is that it's been getting a little slower and it's been shifting a little farther south. But since we've watched that trend, we're now watching where it's going to be unfolding, and it looks like that winter storm is going to be arriving tonight, especially dropping from that snow to or rain to snow from the north to the south, and that is going to be giving us basically just dangerous travel conditions both tonight and tomorrow morning. So daybreak, we've got Terry, we've got Matt, we've got Tom all in tomorrow starting at 4:30 with all of those details for you so that you can get on the road safely. Much colder again by the time we get to at least Thursday, so we're going to say goodbye to the 40s and hello to the 30s. Wind chills tomorrow are only going to be in the teens. So the big question is, how much snow are we going to get? And I think a lot of us have a very good chance of at least picking up 4 inches of snow, and this is going to be kind of that heavy, wet snow, so it's going to be difficult to shovel. Keep that in mind if you've got some neighbors that might have a little bit of a difficult time shoveling. Maybe give them an extra hand, and then some of us could see at least 6 inches of snow, if not more. So we went ahead and put 6 to 9 inches. I would not be surprised if we saw a bullseye of 10 inches or 11 inches for a few select towns or cities. But right now, this is the placement that we have. Kind of shifted it a little bit farther to the south for that 6 to 9 inch range, just because of how this system is tracking. So long story short, the snow is on its way. I do think that we're going to be seeing some cancellations tomorrow. So school closings definitely a possibility. If you're a parent, kind of start thinking about your backup plan, and then just be very careful on the roads tomorrow. With systems like this, there's always a few of us that get caught off guard, and there could be some power outages because along with the snow, we're going to see the wind ramp up, first out of the northeast and then out of the north. We could see some wind gusts tonight in the 25 to even 30 mile per hour range with some of that snow that is enough to knock down a power line or at least a branch into a power line. And then tomorrow we could see some wind gusts up near 35 miles per hour. So sporadic power outages, a few closings possible. You can see the leading edge of the system right here now. And the Futurecast is really picking up on this well. So that means that we have a little bit more faith in it. Watching it by 10 o'clock, that's when I think conditions deteriorate around I-96 and north. This is 4 a.m. We've all converted over to snow. Some of us seeing some heavy snow, and you can see those dark blue bullseyes indicating spots that could be picking up a good inch per hour rates. This is 10 a.m. Snow is still going strong. It's really not till we get to 1 o'clock that we have to shake out and see, all right, how much snow did we actually see? And again, by the time all is said and done, I think a lot of us will at least have 4 inches of snow, even if we don't get that sweet spot zone. And then the rest of us between 6 to even 9 inches of snow there. So this will be a big one. Staying in the 30s for the next few days. It's going to be chilly, and then bouncing back briefly to the 40s for the weekend.
All right, Storm Team has been warning us about this. And
yes,
it's here.
It's here. So
right.
Please be careful.
Yes,
right.
especially when you're driving.